Is up guys, this is SM. In our previous video we make a QR code generator app, and in this video we are going to convert this application to APK using builodozer. We will use jnius module for accessing Android storage directory, and we will request storage permission and many more using jnius module and so on. So guys, let's dig in. So first of all, I'm going to import our jnius module. If you are not familiar with Pyjnius, just simply Google it, then you will understand what is it. So guys, let's import auto class from jnius. uh, from jnius import auto class. Here we are going to access the Android storage directory, and we will use Java Android API, and we are going to access this API using auto class. So guys, here first of all I'm going to make a variable name environment, and this here we are going to access the android.os.environment API. So we are calling auto class here, and now we are going to call the android.os.environment API. Let's type it android.os.environment, and let's check if our spelling is okay. Yeah, everything is looking okay. And then we are going to create a path variable. Actually this is going to be our path where we are going to save our image. So path equal let's say environment dot get external storage directory dot get absolute path, get absolute path. Here we just access the Android, we just accessed the Android storage directory path, and we are going to save our QR code image in this path. So guys, for here we are going to edit our code again, and we just comment this out. We will comment this out, this piece of code, and we are going to save this image img.save, and we will save this image in this path. So guys, where is our code? Actually img.save here. So here we are going to access the path variable. Then let's format this string as f, and curly braces. Here we are going to give our path variable. We just call our path variable here, and after that after this path variable we will give this slash, and let's access our image name id, uh, because we will save what the image name we just given in our text field, and we will save in this path using this name. So we must access this id. So for accessing this id, let's type self.ids dot image name. Actually this is the id where we will give our image name, and we are going to access the text variable from here, image name dot text, and we are going to access the text attribute. Sorry guys, my bad. Text attribute from this id, and now we are going to save this image as .png extension. So .png extension. Now our image will be saved in this path, and our image name will be this text. Okay guys, now and our view image function, here we are going to load our image. So for loading our image, we must access the path where we save the image actually. So let's comment out this piece of code, and let's access the path here. So for accessing the path, let's say self.ids.img. Actually we are accessing the id here, our img ide, and we are going to access the source attribute here. Source equal, let's say here we are going to format our string, and for formatting our string, we just basically type f in front of our quotation mark, and let's add a curly braces. Here we are going to call our path variable. Here we are going to call our path variable, and in this path variable, and after that we are going to add a slash, and then we are going to access our image. For accessing the image, we just save this as our given name. We will access this id. We just comment out this code, and after that we are going to access the name of our image. So for accessing the name of our image, we must call this id image name. So guys, our image name id is, we must format our string for that. For formatting our string, let's add a curly braces, and let's call our image name dot text attribute. Id is dot image, sorry guys, my bad, image name dot text. Now that we this the extension we saved our image is png, so let's call our png extension. Now everything is okay. We just accessed our into the storage directory and so on, but we didn't request any permission from Android. So for request permission, we must import our request permission and permission module from Android. So let's import it from Android. Import from Android import, let's say, sorry guys, for Android.permission we must call the permission method. From Android.permission, let's import our let's say request permission. Is everything okay? Request is we should check the spelling here. Request permission. Okay guys, and permission. Okay, everything is okay. So guys, this red underline of Android text, because of we didn't import any Android module. This is basically from this is going to access basically from our Python for Android module, and we didn't import or install any module. Whenever we are going to convert this app to APK, Buildozer will know what should do with this Android module. And so guys, let's request our permissions. So for requesting permission, we are going to create a function, and this function is already created in mdf function, and we are our main function is just inherited from mdf class. So guys, this is a pre-created function. So let's say for requesting permission, we are going to make this make on start class, and then we are going to request permission. For requesting permission, we just for request permission here, request permission, and the permission is going to be permission dot read external permission dot read, everything will be in capital letter, read external storage, and another permission we are going to add is write external storage. Sorry guys, my bad here. This will be a capital letter. Okay guys, everything is looking okay. Sorry, my bad here. Permission dot read external storage, and we are going to read external storage, and we are going to add another permission dot write external storage. Okay guys, everything is okay, looking like everything is okay. But if we run our app, it will not work, cause Android APIs will not work in Windows or Linux system, something like, or Mac OS, something like that.
Hey guys, welcome to my Linux distro. Here we are using Pop OS for converting our APK. This is our builodozer.spec file I have edited, and we can see in requirements we added the modules that we used in our code, and I recommend you to use the develop branch of P4A or Python for Android. I think in the master branch it has some bugs, and so guys, I used develop branch for P4A, and you guys can check it out. And the buildozer.spec file will be its link will be in the description. You guys can check it out. So guys, let's back into our terminal. You can see this is the location of this directory. We are using an icon, and this icon is declared on the buildozer.spec file. Okay guys, now in terminal simply type buildozer android debug. Okay, now hit enter. Now buildozer will take all the responsibilities to convert your app to APK. If you face any kinds of problem, just let me know in the comment section. I will help you as I know. Okay guys, we can see lots of stuffs are happening here. It will take lots of times if you are new to buildozer, or if you never tried buildozer in your operating system. I already compiled this APK, so it shouldn't take much time. Okay guys, we can see Android packaging is done, and our APK is available in the bin directory. If we check in our bin directory, we can see an APK is appeared here. Okay, so guys, let's check in an Android device. So guys, you can see this is our application that I installed. If we launch this app, then it will take a bit of time. It was the first initial launch. Okay, we can see it is asking permission that we just did in our code. Okay, if we press allow, now let's create a QR code. Let's say Sharif. Let's give a name. Let's say SM. If we press the generate button, okay guys, we can see a notification is just appeared. Okay, that's clear. And if we want to view this image, okay, we can see the image right here. So guys, we make a complete application using Python's Kivy framework. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Goodbye.